Welcome back. This is vlog 23. I'm at I don't really know what this park is. Ridgecrest or something. I don't entirely remember. You guys might recognize it back there, but I'm heading over to a different end over here. I think you'll be able to see the water from over here, but I'm not entirely sure. I'll see when I get over there, but it should be a nice spot to fly. So last time I went flying was over the water and I kind of destroyed a battery. So it wouldn't recharge because I flew it till it was like completely dead beyond repair. So I had to sacrifice that. So now I'm only down to 2 batteries. I need to buy some more desperately. I don't fly with that many batteries in the first place, but even still I need to buy some more. Alright, well, I'm down here and it's just a beach. There's Bayside right there. That's Tampa Bay. Sand's a little bit squishy, but that is expected because this is a beach. Oh, it's a kind of cool spot underneath the bridge over there. That's pretty cool. It's all slippery. I am not going to fly out here because if I crash a quad in this, the quad is totally destroyed. So I'm probably going to head back that way and fly over in the trees over there. I'll pick up when I get there. Also, I don't know if you guys were wondering how I get around or not. Probably not. You guys don't really care, but it's with this thing. It's a little like one wheel. It's called a monorover R3. They stopped making them because it was part of the hoverboards, and this was around the time when they blew up. But I've had this thing for 3 years. It's really great. It gets about like 10 miles to the charge and can go up to like 14 miles an hour. It's moderately capable of off-road. Like it can go through like sand and dirt and gravel and stuff like that. It's not like a trail thing or anything, but it's great for this type of stuff. So I just use it to get around. I'm back over to the spot where I will be flying. You guys might recognize this. I was with Zach one time, and we had our friend Zhyun come here one time. I do a bunch of flying around here. Here's where I did some practice race footage a while ago around this course up there and back down over there, but that was a while ago, and I haven't actually been flying here since then, so it should be a nice spot to fly. I don't think much changed. It looks pretty much the same as it always did. I don't really expect it to change, but yeah, should be some good flying.
Play this record as frequently as possible.
Gotta get right with it down. Wanna stay run out of hit or a miss. Now that I'm raising the roof, she calling me JDC, know my name. Used to get made fun in school, now they gon' act like they one of my main. Careful when I write it down, no second guessing, I gotta get rich. Gotta get right with it sound. Wanna stay run out of hit or a miss. Now that I'm raising the roof, she calling me JDC, know my name. Used to get made fun in school, now they gon' act like they one of my main. Careful when I write it down, no second guessing, I gotta get rich. Gotta get right with it sound. Wanna stay run out of hit or a miss. Now that I'm raising the roof, she calling me JDC, know my name. Used to get made fun in school, now they gon' act like they one of my main. Bitches they chasing me down like a band, flashing the titty, she sent through the gram, talking that dirty like Zidane. Wanna be so big like it's Kevin Durant. Hand on the blow when I'm driving the coupe. Wrist be so wet that they look like soup. I don't need hoes, I need 458. Driving so fast that I fly through the gate. Watching you moves, I've been checking you make. Come with the heat like a G36. Coming too heavy, I'm running a blitz. What would you think? I've been here for the youth. Roll up, I let it diffuse. Mess in my city, no table for 2. Chalking it tight like I came on my Zeus. Live for this shit, I reside in a booth. I got it juice, I've been spitting Capri. I've been new shit with this shit like disease. She give me brain with that college degree. Blow be so wet that I live in the sea. Heat on my pants and I pull it to squeeze. All of them know that I'm hot like BlheliS. Money so big that my wallet obese. Bitches been taking that vitamin D. Jealousy, yeah, like Vegeta was here. I've been so proud of the man in the mirror. Driving so fast that I grapple the steer. Leading my tail like I'm running for mayor. Want to your bitch like an NFL player. They know I'm capable, don't even dare. Heart is so black and I'm matching my hair. I ain't no best and I'm running the air. Careful when I write it down, no second guessing, I gotta get rich. Gotta get right with it sound. Wanna stay run out of hit or a miss. Now that I'm raising the roof, she calling me JDC, know my name. Used to get made fun in school, now they gon' act like they one of my main. Careful when I write it down, no second guessing, I gotta get rich. Gotta get right with it sound. Wanna stay run out of hit or a miss. Now that I'm raising the roof, she calling me JDC, know my name. Used to get made fun in school, now they gon' act like they one of my main.
Alright, that is the end of the flying for today. I broke the quad. This is a new break. I have not seen that one happen before. I was coming down off out of that tree, open pocket over there, and I hit that tree, spiraled down, hit the ground, and it broke the arm. I have more, but not with me now, and I'm just gonna call it end of the flying there for today. I kind of expected this. Like, most of my flying is like not really risky at all, except for over water. Like, most of the stuff I do is just like relaxed flying, nice, easy, floaty stuff. Here I decided to a tiny bit push in a little bit more to get some like more aggressive flights in, and I kind of expected this to happen. Watch out for ruts in the ground. They'll kill you. Anyways, where was I? Yeah, I kind of expected this to happen. Like, I was pushing the quad a bit. I was pushing myself. I wasn't really pushing myself that much. I mean, I only flew, like, I crashed on the second pack and that's what broke it. So I couldn't really get into like my flow state where I'm just like avoiding everything and all the flying's really nice. Couldn't really get into that. I didn't have enough time for that. So I'm probably just gonna go back to most of like the floaty flying stuff I do. Well, it's always flying, but the floaty, like relaxed, chill type of stuff I normally do, as opposed to this slightly quicker stuff. Unless I get like more quads, in which case I'm not really worried about like something this happens, so I could like have another quad I just pull out and then keep on ripping. But yeah, that's it for today. The next vlog will be up in Jacksonville, but yeah, see you there. As always, onward and upward.
Rise again tonight.